Hello students, welcome to Studify Success. And this is fourth lecture of triangles chapter. So we will start with so we will start with a question which says in triangle ABC, AD is a perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. So here this is a triangle ABC. AD is a perpendicular bisector, which means it divides BC into two equal parts, that is BD equals to DC. Then we have to show that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So how we can prove is, firstly it is given AD is perpendicular bisector and we have to prove isosceles triangle. For that AB equals to AC ये हमें प्रूव करना है. So ये दो ट्रायंगल्स को कंसीडर करेंगे, ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल ADC, एंड इनको कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करेंगे. सो फर्स्टली हमें क्या गिवन है, AD इज आवर कॉमन साइड. इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में AD इज अ कॉमन साइड. देन ट्रायंगल ADB एंड एंगल ट्रायंगल ADC दोनों ही 90 डिग्री है, सो दे आर अगेन इक्वल. एंड थर्ड इज BD इक्वल्स टू CD एज AB bisect BC, so BD equals to CD. So by side angle side congruency, we have proved triangle ABD and triangle ABC are congruent. Now we have to prove that AB equals to AC, right? So since triangle ABD and triangle ADC are congruent, this implies AB equals to AC by CPCT, that is corresponding part of congruent triangle. Next question is, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes B and CF are drawn to equal side AC and BC respectively. Then we have to show that these altitudes are equal. हमें क्या given है कि ABC is an isosceles triangle, which means AB equals to AC. Next it says B and CF are altitudes. So these are 90 degree and B, E and CF are altitudes. हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि जो ये ऑल्टीट्यूड है B एंड CF दे आर इक्वल, हमें ये प्रूव करना है. सो फर्स्टली हम कैसे प्रूव करेंगे, हम दो ट्रायंगल कंसीडर करेंगे, ट्रायंगल AEB एंड ट्रायंगल ACF. ओके, देन वी विल यूज कॉन्ग्रुएंसी, राइट. सो इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में फर्स्टली हमें क्या गिवन है, एंगल A इज कॉमन, राइट. देन सेकंड एंगल AEB एंड एंगल AEB and angle AFC. These are perpendiculars which is equals to 90 degrees, so they are again equal. Third is AB equals to AC. It is given to us that they are equal. So we can prove by angle side, right? So we can prove by angle side, right? Angle side angle congruency, that they are congruent. So if they are congruent, then by CPCT we can prove that BE equals to CF. So next question is, a triangle ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to side AC and BE are equal. Okay, so here हमें क्या given है, ABC is a triangle जिसमें BE and CF are altitudes and AC and AB are equal. हमें ये प्रूव करना है फर्स्टली कि ट्रायंगल ABE and triangle ACF are congruent, and secondly ये प्रूव करना है that AB equals to AC. Okay, so how we can do it, हमें क्या given है, sorry students, here it is given altitudes are equal, not side, and we have to prove in second part that side AC and AB are equal. So how we can prove, so it is given B equals to CF. Now we will consider two triangles, triangle ABE and triangle ACF. ABE and ACF, इन दो triangles को हम congruent prove करेंगे. It is given like angle A equals angle A is a common in both triangles, so angle A equals to A. Next angle AEB and angle AFC are equal because they are right angles, that is ये altitude से 90 डिग्री होंगे, so इसलिए दोनों एंगल्स जो होंगे इक्वल हो गए. थर्डली BE इक्वल्स टू CF, हमें गिवन था कि ऑल्टीट्यूड्स आर इक्वल, सो दे आर इक्वल, राइट. सो वी कैन prove that triangle ABE and ACF are congruent by angle side congruency. Now, second, we have to prove AB equals to AC. So, AB equals to AC by CPCT. So, if they are equal, then we have proved that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So, now we will move to next question. So, students, now we will move to question 5th, which says that ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Okay, so ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC, and we have to show that angle ABD. Okay, angle ABD and angle ACD are equal. So how we can prove? So in question हमें ये given है कि ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle, that is AB equals to AC and BD equals to CD, and we have to prove that this angle ABD and ACD are equal. So हम कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? इसके लिए अगर हम पहले क्या करेंगे, फर्स्टली वी विल प्रूव ट्रायंगल ABD and triangle ACD are congruent. ये हम प्रूव करना है फर्स्टली. So how we can do so? So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AD is a common arm, right? So AD equals to AD. Secondly, AB equals to AC, it is given to us as they are isosceles triangles. So the next part is BD equals to CD, again because it is given that these are equal as BDC is a isosceles triangle, right? So here we can see that by side and by side congruency, we can prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, right? We have to prove ABD equals to triangle angle ABD equals to angle ACD. So we can prove that by using CPCT. Next question is ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A equals to 90 degree and AB equals to AC, and we have to find B and C. Okay. So this is a right angle triangle in which A equals to 90 degree. Also AB equals to AC. Okay. AB equals to AC, and we have to find angle B and angle C. So हम कैसे प्रूव करेंगे, कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे वैल्यूज? So it is given that A equals to 90 degree and AB equals to AC. So we know that if two sides are equal, then angle opposite to those equal sides are also equal, which implies angle B equals to angle C. Now we know by angle sum property that angle ABC equals angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. And since B equals to C, so I can write C as B. So here I can write A plus 2 times B equals to 180 degree. We know A equals to 90 degree, so 90 plus 2 times angle B equals to 180 degree. This 90 will go to right side, so this becomes 180 minus 90, which is equals to 90 degree. So 2 times B equals to 90 degree, so angle B equals to 45 degree. So since angle B equals to angle C, so angle B equals to angle C equals to 45 degree. Next question is, show that the angles of an equilateral triangles are 60 degree each. Okay, so हमें इसमें proof करना है कि if ABC is an equilateral triangle, then each angle, that is angle A, B and C, all three are 60 degrees. So how we can show that? So firstly, consider ABC as an equilateral triangle, that is AB equals to AC equals to BC. Since if these three sides are equal, then three angles are also equal. So let me explain you how this is. So अगर दो sides equal होती है triangle की, then their opposite angles are also equal. So firstly take AB equals to AC. So अगर AB AC के equal है तो जो C angle होगा वो B के equal होगा, because sides, if two sides are equal, then opposite angles to, if two sides are equal, then their opposite side angles are also equal. So this result that if AB equals to AC, then C equals to B. Similarly, if I consider BC equals to AC, right? So this implies if BC equals to AC, this implies angle A equals to angle C. So previously we have proved that A equals to B, previously proved B equals to C. And now we proved C equals to A. So this implies all three angles are equal. Now, if it is, we have proved that these three angles are equal. Now by angle sum property of a triangle, we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So if these are equal, so I can write B and C as A, right? Because they are equals to A only. So 3 times A equals to 180 degree, so A equals to 60 degree. So this implies A, B and C all equals to 60 degree, which we are supposed to prove. Hence, the angles of an equilateral triangle are always 60 degree. So students, this is all about today class. If you want to download the notes of this section, this lecture, you can find the link in description box. Also, you can download the app STUDIFYSUCCESS. Thank you.